Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to discuss about smoking. Disease caused by smoking. Smoking kills about 5 million people in the world every year. This is because tobacco smoke contains a lot of harmful chemicals. For example, nicotine. Nicotine is a poison which damages the heart, blood vessels and nerves. Nicotine is an addictive drug. Smokers cannot do without it and find it difficult to give up. Tar sticks to the insides of the lungs when smoke cools. It affects the walls of the alveoli and causes lung cancer. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. It is colorless, odorless gas, and when it combines with the hemoglobin, it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. So body receives less oxygen and many difficulties or diseases occurs. Other poisonous gases are ammonia and cyanide, which irritates the inside of the air passage and make the smoker to cough. Students, next we have to discuss about the diseases caused by smoking. Lung cancer is the most common disease that is caused by smoking. Emphysema is also caused by the chemicals in the tobacco smoke. Emphysema is the destruction of the walls of the alveoli. It results in larger sacs but with less surface area for gaseous exchange. As lung tissues break down, the lungs do not come back to their original position after exhalation, so air cannot be pushed out properly and is trapped in the lungs. Next disease that is caused mostly by the tobacco smoke is bronchitis. Tiny hairs in the air passage cleans the lung and kill the harmful chemicals and germs. Inflammation of the bronchi and bronchioles. Tiny hairs which clean the inside of the lungs are killed by tobacco smoke. It results in excessive secretions of mucus into the tubes, leading to the narrowing and swelling of the tubes. Bronchitis is caused by bacteria and viruses and exposed to poisonous chemicals in the smoke. Non-smokers who live or work with smokers are at the risk of getting all the diseases associated with tobacco smoking. This is called passive smoking. Students, the World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on the 31st of May every year. Smoking affects the social life of a person also. Smoker may face social unacceptance because other people may not want to be exposed to other smokes. Smoking is also responsible for the weakening and staining of the teeth. Smoking may lead to the cancer in kidneys, oral cavity, larynx, breast, bladder and pancreas. Next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. List 4 harmful things found in tobacco smoke. Its answer will start from page number 65. This line, nicotine is a poison which damages the heart, blood vessels and nerves. Number 2, tar sticks to the insides of the lungs when smoke cools. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Other gases such as ammonia and cyanide irritate the insides of the air passage. 2. Question number 2. Explain why smokers find it hard to give up. The answer is on page number 65. Instead of it, you have to write smoking is an addictive drug and up to this line. Question number 3. Explain why smokers often get bronchitis. The answer will start from this line, tiny hairs, up to this line. Question number 4. Name 2 other diseases caused by smoking. 2 other diseases that are caused by smoking are lung cancer, emphysema, oral cavity cancer, kidney cancer, or you may name any of these 2 diseases. Thank you.